Hello everyone, I welcome you back to the Gerald Moses channel. Today we have a new video whereby I'm going to talk about a wallet which we can use to store, transfer, set and enter the DeFi space. The wallet, it's a Metamask wallet, the Metamask mobile wallet. So I'm going to show you a brief of what's on the website. So the website is here, metamask.io. That's the website URL. So it's Metamask is a crypto wallet and gateway to blockchain apps, as you can see here. I'm just going to scroll through and read. You can buy, store, send and swap tokens. It's available as a browser extension and as a mobile app. So I'm going to show you how the mobile app works. You can explore blockchain apps. Metamask provides the simplest yet most secure way to connect to blockchain-based applications. You're always in control when interacting on the new decentralized web. Let's continue. So with Metamask, you own your own data. Metamask generates passwords and keys on your device, so only you have access to your accounts and data. You always choose what to share and what to keep private. So to get started, let's go to Play Store. So when you go to Play Store, you search for Metamask here. You can type Metamask. I had already search here, so Metamask, here we are. So let's just read a brief of what the app says about this app, just briefly. So it's a secure wallet and gateway to blockchain sites. Whether you're an experienced user or a brand new to blockchain, Metamask helps you to connect to the decentralized web, which is the new internet. So with Metamask, I'm going to scroll down here. With Metamask, your keys and assets always stay in your control. Use Metamask's Key Vault, secure login and digital wallet to manage your digital assets. You generate passwords and keys on your phone and keep your account secure. You browse and connect to the decentralized web sites. Control what information you share with sites you use and what to keep private. If you're already a Metamask desktop user, the app will sync your existing wallet in seconds. If you're a new user, we'll help you get started. So I'm going to show you how to get started. We are going to use it as a new user. We're going to set up a new wallet. So you click on install. When you click on install, it takes a few seconds to load. So our Metamask is now installing. It's about to finish the installation, and then we'll look through, and then I run you through the setup. We take a tour, the basics, and then that will be all for this video, how to set up the Metamask. So in the next setup, I'll have to set up a password for myself for this device, and I'll also have to save my recovery key. I'll have to save the recovery key too. So after that, so it has finally downloaded, you click on open. It will also take a few minutes to set up on the device since it's new. Here we are. So the Metamask wallet has finally installed and I've opened it. This is what is brought to my screen. Welcome to Metamask, trusted by millions. Metamask is a secure wallet making the world of Web3 applications accessible to all. You click here. Manage your digital assets. Store, spend, send digital assets like tokens, ethereum, unique collectibles. Your gateway to Web3. Log in with Metamask and make transactions to invest, earn, play games and sell more. So you click on get started. When you click on get started, we are going to have a wallet setup. So you can import an existing wallet or create a new one. So there are three options here. Import using the secret recovery phrase. I'll show you this in the next video. And then sync with Metamask extension, and then there's also an option of create a new wallet. So we are going to create a new wallet with this. Create new wallet. Click on create new wallet. So here I'm prompted to create a password for myself. The password must be at least 8 characters. So I'm going to create a simple password for myself for this tutorial. They're telling me it's weak. I know you cannot see this because it's blurred. So I've created a simple password for myself, and then I click on I understand. that Metamask cannot recover this password for me. So create password. So the next option is it's telling me creating your wallet. This shouldn't take long. So a few seconds. Creating your wallet. It depends on how quick the internet is. Setting up a few things for me, for my new wallet. And after creating the wallet, the next step I have to do is I have to save my recovery phrase, which I'll use to log into this wallet in case I lose this device. So, and I'm not supposed to lose that recovery key. No one can recover it from me. I have to save it in a safe place. So it is creating a wallet. As I told you, I'm going to secure my wallet now. I'm going to write the recovery phrase down. So this part is also blurred by the software recording, by the software I'm using to record this video because of the security reasons. Obviously, I can't openly show you my password, my recovery phrase, because if you can access it, it means you can access my funds, even if my account has 0 funds at the moment. So I click on start. So secure your wallet's secret security phrase. Why is it important? Write down your secret recovery phrase on a piece of paper and store it in a safe place. The security level is very strong. The risks are you lose it, you forget where you put it, someone else finds it and obviously logs into your wallet. Other options doesn't have to be paper. Tips: store in a bank vault, store in a safe, store in multiple locations. So I click on start. I have to authenticate here, either my password. So write down your secret recovery phrase. This is your secret recovery phrase. Write it down on a paper and keep it in a safe place. You'll be asked to re-enter this phrase in order. The next step for me to continue, so I click on I have to show it here so that I continue. After I write down my recovery phrase, I click on continue. I'm going to be obviously I wrote it on a paper, so I'm going to be prompted to re-enter it in the same order it was given to me. So now this, obviously you also can't see this because it has been blurred by the software. So I'm now entering it. This is the same thing you have to be doing. So after I enter it in the right order, I'll be given a success message and I click on to complete the backup. So now congratulations, you have successfully protected your wallet. Remember to keep your secret recovery phrase safe. It's your responsibility. Metamask cannot recover your wallet should you lose it. You can find your secret recovery phrase in settings, security and privacy. So this is a very important part. Never lose it. If you lose it, your funds are lost and no one to blame apart from yourself. Click on done. So help us improve Metamask. Always allow to opt out vast settings, send anonymized, click on progressive events, send country, region, not specific location. So Metamask never collects keys, addresses or IP addresses. It also never sells your data for profit ever. So you click on agree. So our wallet has been created, as you can see. Our wallet has been created, as you can see, account 1. So welcome to your new wallet. To use the blockchain, you need a wallet. Some actions cost Ether or Ethereum. We'll show you how to buy Ether, or you can request some from a friend. So let's take the tour since we are new. So click on take tour. Your accounts. This is your first account, total value and its unique public address. So the total value, as you can see, is 0. The public address is that. You can see that it's not complete. I have to click on that, but I want to click on that. So you can create multiple accounts within this wallet by tapping on the profile icon. Got it. Let me click on got it. So edit your account name. Why not give your account name a memorable and distinct name? Long tap now to edit account name. Let's try long tapping that. Long tapping. Let me type my name as the account name. That. Got it. So main navigation, this is now where we are. Tap here to access your wallet, browser and transaction history. You can take more actions with your accounts and access MetaMask settings. Got it? As you can see, I changed the name to Jarao. It's already showing. So my account name is no longer account 1, but it's Jarao. So the browser, explore the browser. You can explore Web3 using the browser. Got it? So it's taking us to the browser. It's a bit, you can search for sites as long as you're sure of the website to avoid phishing scams. You can search, type a URL if you know where you're headed. Got it? Explore sites. We have, if you want to know more about decentralized finance, click on decentralized finance. So these dApps are what we are given on decentralized. We have Eve, Compound, Curve, DeFi Saver, MakerDAO, Nexus, Pull Together. All this is on decentralized finance. You click on back, and then there's also DEX exchanges. 1inch is a DEX. We have DEX exchanges. We have 1inch, AirSwap, Balancer, KyberSwap, Matcha, Radar Relay, Uniswap, DY by DX. Oh no, DYDX, not DY by DX. So you can look through all this. There's also social. We have 3box, Aragon, Form, Cowrie. That's on social. We have developer tools, art and collectibles. Let's click on that. We have Axe Infinity, Brave, Frontier Heroes, Blockchain. So you can explore all this. You just have markets. We have the CoinDesk. You know CoinDesk. We have CoinGecko, Decrypt, DeFi-Pulse, Popular. You can really explore a lot of stuff here. So I think that's the tour. You have taken our tour. So we took the tour already. Skip tutorial. So I have 0 Ether, as you can see. I click on this. I have 0 Ether. I can receive. Click on receive. This is the address I'm going to share to someone to receive, to send to me. Go back. Copy. I can receive that. You can share it to someone. If you want to receive tokens, you click on receive. You request a payment. So we are done with that. When you want to buy, you can click on buy, cancel. When you want to send, you send to someone's address, you paste it here. But I'll show you more of this in the next tutorial. So don't mind all about that. So swapping is also there. So ladies and gentlemen, so if you want to swap, you click on that. You can choose, find the best swap across Uniswap, Toto, Paraswap, Curve, AirSwap, 1inch. So ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching today's video on how to set up the MetaMask wallet and taking the tour. I'll give more tutorials on how to use the MetaMask in the next steps. Thank you.